श्री गुरु तेग बहादुर साहिब के 350वें शहीदी दिवस को समर्पित पंजाब सरकार की श्रद्धा और सत्कार से भरपूर पहल। पंजाब के 23 जिलों में गुरु साहिब के जीवन और बलिदान को दर्शाते लाइट एंड साउंड शो श्रीनगर, गुरदासपुर, फरीदकोट और तख्त श्री दमदमा साहिब, तलवंडी साबो से अनंतपुर साहिब तक 4 महान नगर कीर्तन तथा 23, 24 और 25 नवम्बर को अनंतपुर साहिब में होने वाले भव्य समागमों में मुख्यमंत्री सरदार भगवंत सिंह जी मान की ओर से सभी को नतमस्तक होने का हार्दिक अनुरोध। आइए अपनी अटूट श्रद्धा और सत्कार के साथ इन समागमों का हिस्सा बने।
Hello everyone, you're watching The Savera and I'm Pavit Kaur. The Home Ministry X handle has tweeted that the proposal only to simplify the central government's law-making process for the Union Territory of Chandigarh is still under consideration with the central government. They have tweeted that no final decision has been taken on this proposal. They said in the tweet that the proposal is no way seeks to alter Chandigarh's governance or administrative structure, nor does it aim to change the traditional arrangements between Chandigarh and the states of Punjab or Haryana. They said the tweet reads that a suitable decision will be taken only after adequate consultations with all the stakeholders, keeping in mind the interest of Chandigarh. The tweet also reads that there is no need for any concern on this matter. The central government has no intention of introducing any bill in this effect in the upcoming winter session of Parliament. The tweet comes after that there have been a lot of political debacle on this particular thing, which has come into the limelight, where there is a notification that has come out after which a political war has stirred in Punjab, where the public, if we talk about the public uproar has also come in front. Not only this, the political figures have already come forward and they are saying that Punjab, Chandigarh cannot be taken away from Punjab. So after all these, the political stir which has started in Punjab concerning this issue, now the ministry has tweeted on its X handle clarifying that there is no intention of doing so, and if there will be anything, it will be after a lot of consultations, and there is no plan that that this particular matter will be taken in the upcoming session of Parliament. With Bani, this is Pavit Kaur for The Savera.